Hey Roses, it's Olena from Olena Roseanne coming to you again with another video, and this one's from Pretti Phizziez. It's a color cream, a temporary color, and I actually used a different color from this same business about 6 months ago. The one we're using today is called Sunset Rust, and as you can see from the outside and now the inside of this lid, this is a red color. Now this is a color cream and it's not thick at all. And the reason being is it's packed full of wonderful things, one of them being aloe vera juice, water, and sweet almond oil, just to name a few. So as you can see, I'm coating my strands here, and as I'm coating them, it is definitely true to color. It has plenty of slip, and I am putting this on. My hair is actually freshly washed, and I did use some other products, another leave-in, and also a hair cream from another business before I went in with this. But as you see, as I'm applying this to my hair, do you guys see the way it has my curls popping? Because this is a conditioning cream on top of being a temporary color. I mean, you can't beat that. Look at this color, y'all. Look. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm putting my hair in 2-strand twists. I think I'm just going to do a simple twist out. We may have a total of, I think with this I ended up doing about 6 twists. You see the color? Now I had to be really careful because again, it does have plenty of slip, which means you have to be pretty careful because if not, it'll run right on down to the floor, which I almost thought I did at one point, but I didn't. So I'm putting more on. You see that red, and this definitely is like a red and a rust color combined, so perfect name. And the curls are popping. Okay, so I have a total of 4 2-strand twists in now. Moving on to the 5th one, I believe, or the 6th one. Nice, ain't it? You know it's nice. So this is the final look. This was actually my Thanksgiving look, you guys. It's dry, I'm in the sunlight. I wish I did a little bit of closer shot, but you get the point. Go ahead and subscribe, you guys, and I will talk to you later, Roses. Bye.